In this video, we will learn how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages or chats. Let's begin by opening WhatsApp and going to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Chats, then select Chat Backup. And make sure that a backup was created before your messages were deleted. To restore the backup, uninstall WhatsApp from your phone and then reinstall it. After reinstalling, open WhatsApp and verify your phone number. You will see the Restore option on the screen along with your available chat backup. Simply tap on Restore, and WhatsApp will recover all your chats and data from the previously created backup. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.